Hey guys, welcome back. On this 2022 ACURA MDX. 2022 ACURA MDX. I'll show you guys how to take off this trim panel, the door handle, and the door mirror. Let's get to work. We need a flathead screwdriver, a small one. We're going to take that piece out. We're going to put it right in the groove right there and pry it out. Take that piece out. In there is 2 Phillips. It's 2 of those. It's one right inside of there. Right in the bottom. That's what it looks like. Now you're going to use the flathead. You're going to put it right in the groove. And you're going to pry the trim panel towards you. Clip tool, go right behind it. Take it out, pull it out. Just like that. Like that. Now you go ahead and disconnect the wires. We're gonna let the trim panel hang for a while. Do not unplug it until you take out the mirror. Let it hang for a while. Alright. We're gonna take this piece off. Take that piece out. All right. This is the wire for the mirror. We're gonna undo that wire. Okay, that's loose. Go ahead and take those 3 screws from there. Number 10. Nuts. 2 nuts. Before you move the last one, you want to hold it. The reason why? Because you don't want to drop the mirror. Okay, now we got all the screws out. You're going to hold it. We're going to shake it out. Alright guys, that's how you do that. Now you're going to go ahead and put up the window. Now go ahead and disconnect the wire for the trim panel. All right, now see that plug right there? You're going to pull that plug from there. Take it out. This is started. T30. T30 started. You're going to take that screw out of there. You're going to turn the screw to the left. What you're doing, you're taking that piece right out. The key section. Now it's loose. Go ahead and put your fly head right between the groove and take it out. See that? That is the key section. It comes right out. Now you're gonna hold this bad boy. You're gonna slide it. You're gonna slide the handle towards you this direction. Bam. All right. Now that you see the handle, right? It's loose. Now there is a wire that's attached to the handle. Before you're gonna take that piece out and loosen up the wire. Just move it halfway. Wire's right here. Just squeeze it, unplug it. See? And you unplug that wire, it comes right out. Don't lose that piece right there. That piece is very important. Okay, guys? That's how you do that. How you gotta do? Pass that piece back. When you guys close the door, just use the finger. Go push your hand right there. Open it up. The finger, put it right there. You'll feel the hook. Right there. Open it up. That's it. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I will see you guys on the next video, baby. Working and checking out.